In this video, I will show you how to switch to Ethereum chain on Bullx. To get started, go ahead and open Bullx on your device. If you haven't created an account on Bullx yet, then you can go ahead and click on the link on the description box to skip the wait list and create an account on Bullx easily. So in here, go ahead and hit on your sidebar. So you'll find this at the top left of your screen. Now select chains from this, so you'll find that above the new pairs tab. Make sure that you actually only enable Ethereum to be able to use only Ethereum chains. So hit on the start trading button. And in this list, you'll be able to find all of the cryptocurrency tokens related only to Ethereum chain. So you can simply select from that and buy or sell your available token for that, and that is basically how you can change or switch to Ethereum chain on Bullx.